Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Ford Mustang with an easy guide. We'll start by laying down the fundamental shapes. First, sketch a long, low rectangle for the main body of the car. Then, add two smaller rectangles on top, one for the cabin and another for the windshield. Remember to make the front rectangle slightly wider than the rear to give your drawing a sense of perspective and depth. This simple foundation is crucial for a well-proportioned Mustang. Now that we have our basic shape, let's add the wheels and refine the body lines. Carefully draw 4 circles for the wheels, ensuring they slightly overlap the main body rectangle for a realistic look. Next, connect the main body and the cabin with smooth, flowing lines, giving the car its sleek profile. Don't forget to outline the iconic Mustang grille and the distinct headlights at the front, starting to bring its character to life. This slide focuses on the iconic features that truly make your drawing a Mustang. Begin by sketching the distinctive C-scoop on the side panel, a classic and recognizable element. Then, move to the rear and add the signature triple-bar taillights, a design cue that instantly identifies the car. Finally, detail the windows, door lines, and side mirrors to add realism and complete the car's unique profile. These details are key. For our final slide, let's add those crucial finishing touches to make your Mustang drawing truly pop. Carefully erase all the initial guidelines you used, cleaning up your artwork significantly. Next, add subtle shading to various parts of the car, like under the bumpers and along the body curves, to create depth and dimension. Finally, consider adding a simple background, perhaps a road or a horizon, to complete your impressive artwork.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.